Hello all the astrology lovers of planet Earth. Welcome to Primary Astrology channel. I'm your host Prasad Mahasani. Help you go further, faster into Vedic astrological studies. Today we are going to discuss why we have 4 seasons on planet Earth. Coming up. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Pramanic Astrology channel. I'm your host Prasad Mahasani, helping you go further, faster into Vedic astrological studies. In last video, we discussed about the local space and how the local space impact the astrological calculations of ascendant and many other calculations. Okay. In today's video, we are going to discuss about why we have season on planet Earth. Okay. So before we move into this, we have to look into some of the important concepts. Like first of it is the celestial sphere. Celestial sphere is just like local space. The imaginary sphere directly above the earth is celestial sphere. Then there is another concept called celestial equator. Like we have an Earth's equator, and when we impose that equator into the celestial sphere, it becomes celestial equator. And the significance of the celestial equator is it divides the Earth into north and south hemisphere. Okay, it's a kind of a great circle for planet Earth. So it divides the planet Earth into north hemisphere and south hemisphere. Okay, then there is another concept called as primary meridian, which we have already discussed into the local space video. And if you have not seen that local space video, I highly recommend you to see this so that all this will start making sense to you. Okay, so we were talking about primary meridian. So primary meridian is an hourly line, and when it intersects horizon, it becomes a north point. Okay, there is an hourly line called as meridian. Meridian is the northeast meridian. When it intersects the horizon, it becomes the north point. And when the primary meridian intersects the horizon, it becomes the east point. All this we have discussed into the local space video in detail. Okay. If you have not checked that video, please go and watch that video so that all this will start making sense to you. Okay, so primary meridian, what it does is it divides the earth into east and west. Okay, just like we have equator, which has divided earth into north hemisphere and south hemisphere, we have a primary meridian which intersects the earth into east and west. Okay, and all these are imaginary lines. Okay, please remember this. There is no physical line or anything in the sky. All these are imaginary lines. And so primary meridian, when hits the horizon, it becomes the east point. Okay, all this we have discussed. Okay, so then there are 2 more concepts. What are those concepts? First is celestial equator, which we already discussed, and the other one is ecliptic path. Let's get deep into this. So celestial equator is when we impose the Earth's equator into celestial sphere, it becomes celestial equator and it divides the Earth. Apart from it, the importance of the equator is when ecliptic path. Ecliptic is the center ring of the zodiac. Ecliptic is the center ring of the zodiac, or we can say this is sun's path, apparent path of sun from east to west. Like we are on the earth and sun is not moving anywhere, we know this, but we still feel sun is moving. Sun is setting, sun is rising. All these phenomena are due to this ecliptic. Okay, what happens with this is ecliptic is okay, Earth is tilted 23.5 degrees, okay, and it wobbles on its axis. And when the ecliptic path crosses the celestial equator, there are 2 points. First point is, by the way, these points are called equinox. So we have spring equinox, and then we have fall equinox. Okay, on 21st of March we have spring equinox, and on 21st of September we have what we call it as fall equinox. Okay, and when these two are at the farthest point, we have winter and summer. Okay, on 21st of March and 21st of June we have equal length for days and night. What do I mean by that? Days and nights are equal. Okay, and on winter and summer we have uneven days and night. Like in winter we have a shorter day and longer night, and on summer we have longer days and shorter nights. Okay, there is one more thing, there is one more concept called as the precession of the equinox. Okay, so these the points of the intersection of the point of intersection of ecliptic path of the planets and sun and the celestial equator is always changing after few thousand years. Why? Because our earth is tilted. Okay, and this is called as the precession of the equinox. And due to the precession of equinox and this intersection, we have the precession of the equinox, we have the seasons on planet Earth. Okay, so this was my little analysis on why we have seasons on planet Earth. If you like this video, please hit like button, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. A lot of interesting stuff coming your way. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Love and peace.